Welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food lair. Today we'll be doing banana bread. Before you go anywhere, click the subscribe button. There's more every single week. We got a new recipe every single week. Now what you want to do with the banana bread is squish it until it's a nice even flowing surface. We have all our ingredients. We have our eggs, our butter, our flour, our sugar, mixing bowl, and our loaf pan. Let's get started. We're gonna start by taking these and chopping them up, and then we'll squish them and squish them and squish them. In a mixing pan, we want to add flour. Start with 1 cup of flour in a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add a half a cup of butter. Flour and butter. Yep, we're baking stuff. We're going to add that's about 2 tablespoons of milk. We're also going to add a teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Also add in about 3/4 cups of sugar. And finally, 2 eggs. Then you want to stir this together. And add in your bananas. Now it's all mixed together. Once that's done, we're ready for our loaf pan. You want to make sure to coat it with non-stick spray. So that when it comes out, it comes out. And then we just pour this in here. Then we preheat the oven to 350 and we set it in there for about an hour and we test it, and then we'll have banana bread. Let's put it in the oven. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. I'm gonna eat me some banana bread. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you would go with your banana bread. I'm going with a banana. That's good. Welcome to the food lair. Oh. See you in the next video. Should be right here. Over here.